Hallo Leute! Hi guys! Willkommen zurück zu einem neuen Video. Welcome back to a new video. Ich heiße Steffi. My name is Steffi and this is lesson 15 of the free German course for beginners. Today we have an interesting and exciting topic waiting for us. The German articles. Dum 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 dum. Do you know how many articles we have in German? It is 3. Der, die, and das. In English, there's only one article, the. In Russian, there are no articles at all. And I'm curious, how many articles do you have in your native language? Let me know in the comments below. German nouns have different genders. They can be masculine, feminine, or neuter. In German, it's called maskulin, feminin, and neutral. Der is the masculine article. For example, der Mann, der Computer. Die is feminine. For example, die Frau and die Maus. And the third article, das, is neuter. For example, das Buch, das Haus. And as you can see, all nouns are capitalized. You have to write them with a capitalized first letter. Always, no exceptions. And now it's getting interesting. If you see a new word, for example, this one, how do you know what article it needs? Kamera is feminine. Die Kamera. Maybe it makes sense that der Mann is masculine and die Frau is feminine. But why is the mouse feminine and the computer masculine? Yes, it's not that easy and one YouTube video cannot cover it all. But don't worry, I created an entire article course that will teach you exactly that. You can find the link in the description below. Oh, and if you like this free German course for beginners, you're gonna love this course, I promise you. It includes many videos, entertaining stories, quizzes, and PDFs. You don't need to guess the right article. There are many rules and indicators that help you choose the correct article. For example, you can tell that Zeitung is feminine and therefore needs the article die. You can tell because of the ending ung. Nouns that end with ung are often feminine. For example, die Ausstellung, the exhibition, die Verteidigung, the defense, or die Meinung, the opinion. It's always die. Many German learners struggle with articles, but it doesn't have to be this way. German is fun if you use the right method. And that's about it for this lesson. Make sure to check out the LerneDeutsch course in the description, so you will master the articles right from the beginning. In the meantime, check out my Instagram and TikTok for more fun videos. I post them every day. Also, macht's gut. Take care. Tschüss. Lerne Deutsch, Deutsch, Deutsch. Lerne Deutsch, Deutsch, Deutsch. Lerne Deutsch.